Hi guys, I'm so glad to have you here today on my channel. Here you will find different kind of videos as vlog, of voice, landscape videos, and probably way other formats. The first goal of this channel is to make you explore the world with me. I'm trying to follow my heart, enjoy life as much as I can, and do what makes me feel alive. If I can make you dream, make you amazed by landscapes and way of life, my purpose is already fulfilled. I began travel on my last year of studies with an Erasmus program, and ever since I knew I would explore the world, the culture, meet new people. This is what makes me feel alive. Welcome on board, don't forget to fasten your seatbelt and have a pleasant time.